Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to High Universal Cut. So today, this haircut now, I'm going to show us how we are going to blend this hair very well. You understand, guys? So if today is your first time on seeing my channel, please, you are welcome. You are highly welcome. Do well to subscribe, turn your notification bell on, like, comment and share so that other people will learn from it. So today, this is what Afro, and we are going to do it in a very well detailed pattern. So we are going to skin the first layer. The first guideline is going to be skinned. The second guideline is going to be what? It's going to be low cut blade. Then the third guideline is going to be step one, which we use to blend it off. Do you understand? So without wasting much of our time, I don't want this video to be too long. That's why I want us to just dive into it. And remember, I'm going to do only this side. I'm not going to do this side because if I bring this camera to this side, it will not clear. Do you understand? So pay attention very well and see how I'm going to blend this haircut. Do you understand? Don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you love this channel and want to be part, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so that whenever I post, you'll be the first to see it. So the first thing you need to do is to sterilize your clipper, and I've done it. Sterilize your clipper very well. After you sterilize finish, now this side you brush it down to see the hair grows. Then make sure you comb the hair thoroughly so that the outgrowth will come outside. Then the first guideline you are going to create, you are going to set your clipper on skin level by joining the blade together. Bring the gel up, join it together, on it on. You first raise your hand up. This is why I normally do my own. You can start your own like this first, but I don't like it like that because it will weaken my blade. So first raise it up. Make sure you are brushing it. First raise it up. Let's show it very well. Don't rush it. Follow it accordingly. Do you understand? Follow it accordingly. Don't rush the hair. So after you have raised it up finish, you bring your hand downwards. You skin the hair. Make sure you skin it. You skin it very well. You see, if I did not set this blade very well, this customer, it will be disturbing this customer. Do you understand? So now the blade is well set. So after you skin it finish, make sure you're brushing the hair off. The hair that you are removing, make sure you're brushing it off. After you skin it finish, the next thing you need to do is to create the second guideline, which is going to be what? Low cut level. How are you going to set it? You bring your gel down, open the blade, you follow it accordingly, texture it very well. This is the second guideline that we are creating. Make sure you are brushing it. You see what I'm doing, right? So don't forget to like, comment and share, please. That's the only thing you help us to do. Like, comment and share, and if you want to be part of this family, subscribe and turn your notification bell on. So after you have created the second guideline, can you see different? There is skin here, there is line here, right? You are going to take it off. How are you going to take it off? You close the blade. Don't close it finish. Let it be small space. Let there be small space. Don't join the blade together finish. Just open little space. I call it semi low cut blade. Use it and clear off the line. Hope you're understanding something, guys. If you know you are learning something, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn your notification bell so that whenever I post a video like this, you'll be the first to see it. So watch what I'm doing. After you have removed the line finish, if you see anywhere that did not remove very well, then you put it on full skin. You use the edge of the blade to remove it. So after that, still put it on what? Still put it on local level. Open the blade and still recreate that second guideline so that it will be smooth. Do you understand? If you are not understanding anything, let me know in the comment section. Then the next thing you need to do now, the third guideline is going to be step 1. Why is this step 1? Because this hair is not bushy. To carry step 1, can you see it? It will carry step 1. If the hair is like this, use step 2. You see, it can carry it. Put it in your blade, open the blade, let it be low cut level, low cut blade, then put it on step 1. You raise it up small small. You see the way I'm flipping it. You have to be careful here, because if you are not careful, it's going to chop the hair inside and it will create another line. The more it's creating line, the more you are blending, the afro will look small. It will turn to normal form. Do you understand, guys? See the way I'm flipping it? You see? And you know that this hair is very, very soft. So you have to follow it very, very well. Follow it very, very well. Don't rush it. So after you have flipped it up finish, the next thing you need to do is to bring your hand down and blend the tip. You blend the tip. You blend the tip of the hair. You see what I'm doing it. Don't mind where I'm holding my different, because of the camera is obstructing me very well. This is what I'm doing. You blend the tip, blend it down, don't let it go inside. Be very, very careful and stay focused. So you see what I'm doing, guys. Make sure you're brushing it. Always study the hair. You see, this hair is very, very soft. That's why you need to be very, very careful. Do you understand? After that, you still carry it up. Still carry it up more like this. That's what I'm doing. You see the blend is coming out, right? Don't rush it. After you have done it finish, you remove your step 1. You put it on under normal local blade. You brush it down like this. Bring it down like this. Hope you understand what I'm doing, guys. You bring it down like this. And it's what I'm doing. After that, you can still do it like this. And make sure it's the tip. Oh. Make sure it's the tip that you are blending down. Make sure it's the tip. Don't let it go inside. So after that, what are you going to do next? Turn your hand upwards to remove the excess ones. So anywhere that is not well blended, this you carry it up to remove it, to blend it very well. So if you are finding this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share this video. Let other people to learn. Can you see it? Always study the hair very well. So after this, make sure you take your time to clean everywhere that you see that is not well cleaned. Do you understand, guys? So after this, the next thing you need to do now is to trim this hair small. Put your blade on what? Put it on what? On low cut level. You carry it up like this. You see it? You carry it up like this. Follow it accordingly. Watch how the hair texture is, and you follow it very, very well. Do you understand, guys? So don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you are learning one or two from this video. And if you want to be part of this family, subscribe, turn your notification bell on, so that whenever I post a video like this, you'll be the first to see it. So after you have trimmed it finish, the next thing you need to do now is to trim the outgrowth hair. Follow it accordingly. Don't rush it. Still put it under low cut left. Do you understand? Still put it under low cut left. Take your time when trimming hair. Take your time very, very well. Don't rush it. Don't rush it. Take your time very, very well. This is tutorial purpose, that is why I'm taking it slow. And make sure you are focused, you are doing slow and steady. So after you remove the outgrowth one, that is it, you are good to go. So guys, like I said, if today is your first time of seeing my video, don't forget to like, comment and share, and subscribe for more. Because in this channel we do it practically, theory and practical. You understand? So this is what we call what? Afro. This is what we call what? Afro. This is high fade Afro. This is what we call high fade Afro. So guys, so take your time to do everything you want to do very well. You understand, guys? So this is how it's being done. So like I said, everything I'm doing here is the same thing I'll do to this side. That's why you need to watch, you need to pay attention very, very well. You understand, guys? I love you guys. So don't forget to like, comment and share.